Namaste, I Javin Gaurav Goyal from the Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. Our today's session is a radiotherapy treatment of CA prostate. In the course Radiotherapy 4th, let we discuss about the radiotherapy treatment of CA prostate. In EBRT, electron beam radiotherapy, beams of radiation are focused on the prostate gland from a machine outside the body. This type of radiation can be used to try to cure earlier stage cancers or to help relieve symptoms such as bone pain if the cancer has spread to a specific area of bone. Patient will usually go for the treatment 5 days a week in an outpatient center for at least several weeks, depending on why the radiation is being given. Each treatment is much like getting an X-ray. The radiation is stronger than that used for an X-ray, but the procedure typically is painless. Each treatment lasts only a few minutes, although the set time getting you into place for treatment takes longer. Newer EBRT techniques focus the radiation more precisely on the tumor. This lets doctors give high doses of radiation to the tumor while reducing the radiation exposure to nearby healthy tissues. 3D CRT uses spatial computer to precisely map the location of your prostate. Radiation beams are then saved and aimed at the prostate from several directions, which makes it less likely to damage surrounding normal tissues and organs. IMRT, an advanced form of 3D CRT therapy, is the most common type of external beam radiation therapy for prostate cancer. It uses a computer driven machine that moves around the patient as it delivers radiation, along with shaping the beams and aiming them at the prostate from several angles. The intensity of the beams can be adjusted to limit the doses of radiation reaching nearby normal tissues. This let doctor deliver an even higher radiation dose to the cancer. Some newer radiation machines have imaging scanners built into them. This advance, known as IGRT, image guided radiation therapy, lets a doctor take picture of the prostate just before giving the radiation to make minor radiation. This advance, known as image guided radiation therapy IGRT, lets the doctor take picture of prostate just before giving the radiation to make minor adjustments in aiming. This appears to help deliver the radiation even more precisely and results in fewer side effects. The session is over. In this session we had discussed about the uh, uh, in this session we had discussed uh, about the positioning. uh, uh, in this session we had discussed about the radiation treatment uh, of CA prostate. Okay, the session is over. uh, I hope you are satisfied with the session. If you have any queries, then put it into the comment box. I will resolve it later. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.